Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Ify and I am back again with another video. Today's video is a very quick one. I am going to show you guys how to peel beans. Like a lot of you guys find it very difficult to peel your beans. It is actually very easy. Like it is very easy to peel beans, and today I am going to show you how easy it is. First of all, these beans you can see here, I've soaked it for about 1 hour plus. This is a brown beans. I prefer brown beans, so I've already soaked the beans for close to for 1 hour plus. Please, if you hear any noise at the background, don't don't click away. Don't even get annoyed, because right now I am carrying my baby on my back. As you can see, I tied him at my back. See his leg. Can you see now? The shaft, that is the covering. Can you see? It's going out on its own already. Right now, I am going to transfer it into my blender. So guys, this is my blender, and this is the beans. So what I will do now is I will scoop the beans. See the beans here? There's not enough space here, so that was why the beans is at the back. But if you look very well, you will see the beans. So what I do is I scoop the beans, put it into the blender. You have to put it small at a time. So after, then you add water. Add enough water. So guys, you blend it for about 1 second. 1 second. You have to blend it 1 second 5 times. Let's go. Can you see? 2, 3, 4, 5. There you pour it. Guys, you look at my beans. It's so clean. Like right now, I am so proud. It's very clean. This is how to peel beans, and it's very I mean very easy. Like it's very easy to try on. It's very easy to peel. yo, it's very easy to. This process is the easiest I've seen. This is the easiest so far because I didn't even wash the beans 5 times, and here we are with a very clean beans. So guys, I am going to soak it now because I will blend this later today. I'm going to leave it to soften before I blend with my blender. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click on that subscribe button and also on the bell notification button so you will get